Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick ready for guests clean with me. My in-laws are coming to visit for the weekend. It's funny because, they're coming down from Maryland to join us for Hurricane Dorian to make an appearance in the Carolinas.
Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me.
I already cleaned most of the house except for Gentleman's room, which they'll be staying in. I go ahead and change the sheets and comforter for the bed set we have specifically for guests.
I know it isn't logical. That something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered.
Since they'll be arriving close to dinner time, I wanted to cook them my special beef barbacoa. I simply lightly sear the cuts of meat and then put them in a crock pot.
But didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now.
Add some bay leaves.
No more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell
Close.
asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep
The pepper. This mama loves pepper, so I put a lot in there.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time
Then I add my marinade and let the whole thing cook in a crock pot on low for 6 to 7 hours. I swear, this stuff makes my whole house smell so amazing.
I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no.
The last thing I do is mop and sweep my kitchen. I also film me cleaning the kitchen after cooking, but for some reason those files kept loading as corrupted onto my Sony Vegas. So yeah, like it was just really weird. I couldn't get it to work. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's short. I have so much more videos coming this week since I took a wee bit of a break last week. My schedule was completely thrown off and it was terrible. I really needed the extra time to get back on track, but I'm good now. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new here, my name is Dan. Nice to meet you. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe and hit that notification button for more upcoming content. See you soon, guys.